How to register a domain on Google Domain. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to register a domain on Google Domain. So first, simply search in for Squarespace because Google Domain has been transferred or acquired by Squarespace. So basically just come over to this website over here, and as you can see I've already logged into my account. Now simply tap on this get domain button over here or manage domain, and since we are trying to register our domain, you can simply search in for any of the domain of your name of your choice and simply choose it and click on this checkout, or you can also remove if you have more than one domain selected. So make sure you have selected only one if you don't want to pay more, because we are only using one domain. So you can also choose multiple domain as well. And once you're inside this registration page, you need to fill out all of your details such as your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, and your street address, as well as your country code, that is postal code, your city, state, etc. So let me just quickly fill that up. And once you do all of that, just click on save and continue and make sure all of your information are correct. So let me just quickly edit my phone number over here. So once you tap on save and continue, you will be heading over to this screen where it's billing address option. You need to fill out details such as city, street address, your full name again, as well as your postal code and country name. And once you're inside here, you should be heading over to the payment page. Finally, include your card number, that is your CVV number, security code, expiration date code if you are using credit or debit card, and simply save and continue. And just like that, you should be able to register as well as buy your domain. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.